Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open-source, non-custodial, auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. But many of the more popular solutions have been sufficiently battle-tested and can result in significant gas cost savings for users. Polygon, Arbitrum and Optimism are currently the most popular universal Layer 2 solutions for Ethereum. As per data from L2 fees, these can offer a potentially 90% reduction in fees when transferring tokens, or slightly less of a reduction when transferring ETH. Many of the most popular DeFi protocols and dApps have deployed on one or more Layer 2s, so we recommend checking to see if your favorite app is supported. Using other one-layer blockchains, one of the best performing sectors of 2021 was so-called Ethereum Killers, or competing Layer 1 blockchains that promises ultra-low transaction fees and fast throughput compared to Ethereum. The most popular blockchains, termed Solunavax, has exploded in popularity and market cap. It grew from a combined market cap of around $681 million at the start of 2021 to $94.5 billion now, a staggering 138x increase in over a year. Average transactions on Solana cost around $0.00025, while transferring on Avalanche costs even lesser, around $0.00004 according to Avax Gas Tracker. With their increasing popularity and users flocking to these low-cost blockchains, their respective ecosystem has also exploded in numbers. Users can check out popular Solana ecosystem apps like Serum and Radium for DeFi applications. For Avalanche LRC token is up 34% over the past 24 hours, as of this writing, at a current price of $1.12 per CoinGecko. Immutable's IMX token is up nearly 3% at a price of $2.28. Last week, amid mixed results for its Q4 2021 fiscal year earnings, GameStop announced that its NFT marketplace is planned to launch by the end of its Q2 2022 fiscal year. As GameStop's 2021 fiscal year just ended on January 29, that gives the retailer a late July deadline to officially launch its NFT initiative. Immutable X is providing substantial IMX token payments to GameStop as part of the deal, and during the week that their partnership was announced in February, GameStop sold off $47 million worth of tokens. The price of IMX dropped significantly at the time and was down as much as 23% over the previous 24-hour span after the news broke. Immutable doesn't comment on the actions of $IMX holders, but Immutable has sold no tokens since the public sale of IMX, the firm said in a statement provided to Decrypt in February. Future token allocations to GameStop, efficiency and other features. What are Layer 2 Rollups? Layer 2 Rollups are scaling solutions predominantly utilized in the Ethereum ecosystem, which outsource the execution of transactions outside the main blockchain, but retain some data per transaction on-chain. This allows transactions to leverage the same security model as the Ethereum main network, while being processed in a separate layer, preventing network congestion and enabling faster confirmation times. There are two types of Rollups, each with its own design and security properties. Optimistic Rollups do not conduct transaction computation by default, hence, they can scale Ethereum better by a factor of 10 to 100x. Moreover, they can process complex smart contracts. This stands in contrast to zero-knowledge results executing a smart contract and/or sending ERC20 or any of the variety of NFT token standards will cost significantly more than conducting a simple ETH transfer. This is due to the fact that smart contract executions are far more taxing on the network than moving ETH between accounts. Contrary to popular belief, the size of the transfer, in ETH terms, has no impact on the cost of the transaction, only the amount of computational work required for the transaction has an impact. As a result, more taxing transactions simply cost more. But there is a way to minimize costs even when performing resource-heavy transactions by aggregating transactions with other people looking to complete similar tasks, or by optimizing its gas efficiency. A large number of platforms have emerged in recent months to help users do exactly this. This includes DEX aggregators like 1inch and Matcha, yield aggregators like Yearn Finance and Zapper, and DSN aggregators like Coldstack. These platforms often not only improve gas efficiency, but also the yields you get from your transaction, potentially boosting your overall returns considerably. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, LRC is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. LRC Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average LRC price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, LRC, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. LRC Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. LRC is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Loopring's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of LRC will be between $6.52 and $6.75 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum LRC price ranges from $6.52 to $8.12 for 2027. Loopring Price Prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Loopring could cross $11.32 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $10. Loopring Rate Forecast 2029. Loopring's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore the LRC could be as high as $16.79 by 2029, with significant cooperation from financial institutions if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $14.53 for 2029, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2029. LRC Rate Prediction 2030. LRC will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Loopring rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2030, the Loopring rate will be almost $21.22. The maximum bet we can get is $24.85. Loopring average price prediction for the end of 2030 could be around $21.95. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.